Hello, and my name is Scott McKay, and welcome to a very brief introduction to Visuwords, the online visual dictionary and thesaurus. I'm going to click Explore, and it's going to open up a word at random the first time you use it. In this case, it happens to have opened sound spectrograph, but that's not what I'm interested in. I'm interested in looking up the word happy and finding descriptive words for that. I'm going to type into the search bar at the top and press Enter. And then Visuwords will look up my word and populate the screen with a number of adjectives and adverbs and different instances and examples of that word. You can see it's very kinetic and very visual. The dictionary itself is quite literary, and some students are just not attracted to that. Whereas the style of this interactive dictionary is that if you place your mouse over top of any of these bubbles, it'll give you a definition. So if the student's not too familiar with the word blissful, they can have a definition right given to them. If I drag these items, the entire web sort of reacts in a very game-like way, similar to a game called the Tower of Goo or other instances. One task I might have for my students is to organize this web in a way that shows what they're familiar with and what they're unfamiliar with. So words they know or are familiar with, they place on the top, and words that they're unfamiliar with, perhaps like euphoric, they should place on the bottom. So give them a second to organize the web that's been given to them. That allows them to interact with the words in a meaningful way, and then to spend time looking at the words that are all organized on the bottom. If I'm unfamiliar with this word, euphoric or blissful, I can double-click it, and it will then load up that word inside of the existing web. And I can scroll down if I need to. I can drag it back onto the screen and play around with it. It's important as well to look at the types of connections that are being made here and explain these for our students. The gray line, as defined by the legend on the left-hand side, is the synonyms or the words for, whereas is a kind of, or is an instance of, is a member of. And there's a great deal of different types of connections being shown. I had some problems with is a kind of or is an instance of, but it was explained under menu and more information. Inside there it gives you some examples, and what cleared it up for me was if you look at Einstein, you can see that Einstein is an instance of a physicist. Well, that's pretty much it. I hope you find it useful and engaging and helpful in supporting students who need more examples and different ways to explore words and vocabulary. Thank you.